Hello everyone, welcome back to Techtastic. We are back with the Samsung RV711 today, the 10-year-old laptop that was recently saved from the dump. Today is cleanup day. We will be cleaning it up and then posting it on eBay for sale to see how much money we can make on a dump-saved 10-year-old Samsung laptop. Stick around to see the final result. So the first thing we're going to do is just use the spray bottle, which is diluted with water and just a tiny bit of cleaner, just a little tiny bit. So I just like to hold it way up above and way up here and just give a gentle, really gentle mist. Very gentle mist on the computer. Just take a clean microfiber towel of your choosing. Start top to bottom. Screen first. And then I just give it the force and just push down in between the keys. You can be rough on these older computers, you're not going to hurt them at all. Turn the rag over, help dry the screen. The screen's going to mostly dry itself anyway. So I usually start with the inside, just like that. And I think that that's good enough for me. Now, let's go to, I'm just going to close it. And just a quick spray over the top. The top's pretty clean as it is. We'll do it anyway. This laptop has that nice textured lid. And the bottom, same thing. Not even going to spray it. I'm just going to use the rag. Just like that, we have a little bit more stuff here. There we go. Just like that, we have a nice, shiny, clean laptop. Not that much work at all. Less than 2 minutes. And you can pick at it and get a little brush and go in between the keys if you really want to. I don't think that that's worth it. But there we go. We have a nice, shiny laptop. We're going to move on now. We're going to go list it on eBay. eBay now. I am on the eBay app. I'm using my screen recorder on my phone for the first time. I actually have an order to ship right there. Paid ship now. Actually some desktop hard drives. That's besides the point. So this is how I list on eBay all the time. So we have I'm going to go to search eBay. And we're going to search for the Samsung RV711, which is right there. Just you gotta find a laptop that matches the specifications, or at least similar to. So this one here, I'm not gonna list it for that price. That's very high price. But mainly, this just gets you started with a listing. So if you scroll down and find sell one like this, you cannot use the exact same listing, or eBay will flag you down. So this is where we select our photos. I took a bunch of photos. So this is going to be our primary picture, and then you just select all of the photos that you took. And I will be including the charger with this sale. That helps to boost sales quite a bit when you include the charger. So that there will be our cover photo for this laptop. On eBay, you want to have a very good cover photo to grab people's attention. So then we have the keyboard. Have the screen. Actually, all these came out pretty well. The lid, the bottom. This is the crack. You definitely want to be sure that you take pictures of any damage to any item you put on eBay. Mainly because if somebody receives the item and it's broken, they're guaranteed their money back by eBay. So I just crop that in just a little bit, just so you can see the crack better. And then we have the charger, which I'm going to crop in a little, just like that. So there we go. We have pictures in, charger should come back up. There it is. So this title here we need to change quite a bit. We have, let's see, open the keyboard. We now have 8 gigs. I did add 4 more gigs of RAM. 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. We have 500 gigabytes of storage. This is not going to be having an OS, so we cannot put that it has Windows 7 Home. We can't put it as Windows 10 because it does not have an operating system. It does have Bluetooth and it does have a web camera. So we're going to add here 8 gigabytes of DDR3. And then I think we're going to leave everything else the same. Maybe just remove the slash here. And we should add the word laptop in there somewhere, just so that it comes up when people search for laptops on eBay. Just like that. So there we go. Now we have, how do I get rid of this keyboard is what I want to figure out. Hold on, bear with me. How do you get rid of this keyboard? I'm not entirely sure. Alright, anyway, we have Samsung RV711 laptop. That should be singular. Laptop, Core i3, M380, 2.53 GHz, and so on, as you can see there. So now we can go back. Then we have to select the condition of the item, which is used. 17.3 inch screen, that is correct. Operating system, we have to put not included, unfortunately. SSD, it does not have an SSD, it has a hard drive, which is 500 gigabytes, right there. Storage type is hard disk. Graphics card, I'm not sure about, but we're going to leave that blank. Release year is 2012. Maximum resolution is, I believe, 768. We're going to just select that. Color, silver, and there, we are just about set. We're going to price this as a buy it now. The charger included, we're going to try to shoot for 75 to start with. If we don't get that, we'll drop it soon. So we're going to do $74.99. More options. Offers. We will accept any offers that come in. Bear with me here, I'm still learning. Any offers that come in over, how about $55? We'll accept anything over $55. Go back. And we only have one. I think we're going to do free shipping on this. It'll probably cost $15 to ship or so. That's why the higher price, is we're going to do free shipping. Also, with USPS's new rules, you cannot ship a laptop through priority mail because of the lithium-ion battery. So we must ship UPS or FedEx. So for a description now, I'm going to write up a description real quick, and I will be right back. Back here, I just wrote up a short, brief description, which will be good enough for this computer. My phone is down to 15% battery. I've got to hurry this up. So yes, we have a description, so now we can go back, and we are ready to list our laptop. So this is what the listing is going to look like. If you're on your phone or laptop, desktop, it's all going to be the same. This is a good cover photo for me. I think I might retake it. It looks a little fuzzy down here in that area. Right down there. You don't know if you can see that dot. It does look a little fuzzy towards the base of the computer by the stickers. But that'll do for now. So we are going to list this item. There we go. We are now listed and on eBay. Let's see how long this takes to sell.